Hey yo, what's good guys, it's your boy Tim back again. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money with Notix push notification plugin. So this is actually a push notification plugin that allows you to send out push, or rather to notify your subscribers that you have a new content on your site or you posted a new content. So it actually allows you to send unlimited push notifications to your subscribers, and at the same time it gives you the opportunity to make money off of those your subscribers. Now I'm going to walk you guys through how this thing works, and I'm going to show you guys a proof of myself making money with this, because I've actually made my first cash out, right? So I'm going to show you guys everything, but before that, please, if you're new here, please consider liking this video and please subscribe to this channel. And with that being said, let me quickly start this. So if you take a look at my screen right now, this is actually how the Notix thing looks like, and I have about 3,000 subscribers on this particular account. And let me tell you guys a brief story about how I started using it. So my friend started using it on his site, and I actually ignored it, and he was able to pull out his first $100 within a few weeks because he was having lots and lots of traffic. And then I was like, since I'm having some couple of thousands of traffic on my site on a daily basis, so I decided to install it. And just some weeks or months down the line, I checked and I was able to pull out my first money. So this is actually how it looks like, and let me just dive into my Payoneer account, because they actually pay through Payoneer, and you can see that my last payment from this is actually 44.51 USD. So this Notix actually partners with a native arts company called Propeller. So they partner with Propeller Arts to send out some art to your subscribers on a daily basis. Now you can actually limit the number of arts that can be sent to your subscribers. Okay, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, or so on and so forth. But for me, I authorize only one art to be sent out to my subscribers on a daily basis. Okay, so now the more art you have to your subscribers, the more money you make. So I don't really want to bother my subscribers, because I was still building it with Notix, and I think I currently have 3,000 subscribers. Now, for you to be able to monetize your subscribers on this platform, you need to get to a certain point, just like on Adsense where you apply for approval, right? So once you apply, okay, after getting a certain number of active subscribers, you can then request for approval. Now their support team are going to review your application and then send you a message if you're approved or not. But trust me, the approval process is quite easy, so you're most likely not going to get rejected as long as you have a very active subscriber base. Then after that, to ask you the number of push you want them to be pushing out to your subscribers on a daily basis. And from my candid experience, I would advise you not to allow them to push lots and lots of push to your subscribers, because the subscribers are going to get tired of it and they're actually going to stop visiting your post. Now, in case you are confused about the whole subscriber and the push thing I'm talking about, if you visit some sites for the first time, you're going to see some notification that will ask you if you want to turn on notification for the site or not. So you either allow or disallow. That's the kind of thing that this plugin actually does. But this time around, they can actually pay you for them to send out a custom push to your subscribers. So that is how this thing actually works. Now, let me go to my Propeller account so that you guys can see the first payout. Okay, this is actually one of my Propeller accounts, and the one I'm using for the Notix. So you can see that I was paid $47.51, and after the whole charges, I think Propeller Payoneer actually gave me 44.51. So that is actually how this thing works, and this is actually a quick proof that I myself am making money from this. And I think I have about total balance in it, blah blah. I think I have about $19.92 waiting for withdrawal or so. I don't know, but I know that once it is 1st of December, this one will be added here and I'll be paid. Okay, now in case you're wondering what is the minimum payment that you can receive on this platform, because like I said, they actually work with Propeller. So on Propeller, you can withdraw as low as $5 depending on your means of getting payment. But for me, I'm using Payoneer, so the minimum withdrawal for Payoneer is actually $20, right? Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to walk you guys through how you can actually set up this on your site and how to actually push out notifications to people, and also how to get traffic in order to build your subscriber base and all, right? So also I'm going to show you guys how to send out notification per post, right? So because any post you make, you can actually send out push to your subscribers for them to come back to your site and all. So with that being said, I want to also point out that you can actually use this alongside the main Propeller, right? So you can use Propeller ads on your site while using this, all right? So you can see that I still have Propeller ads on my site, meanwhile I still have the Notix thing on 2 different accounts. So that is actually how it works. You can use the two, and then you can still use Adsense on the site. So all of them works together, as long as you keep it minimum and also you don't frustrate your users. So like I said, I want to walk you guys through how to do that right now. So if you're new here, please consider liking this video and please subscribe to my channel. All right, so this is actually how my WordPress looks like. So if you come to your WordPress, go to plugins. So if you go to plugins, install the plugin. It's actually very, very simple to find. So if you click on plugin, click on add new. So go ahead and search for Notix. So you're going to see their Notix web push notifications. It's very, very active. And if you check here, they have about 900 installations or more. So go ahead and install and activate it. So let me just update mine. So mine is updated. So after installing it, you have to head over to Notix site. Okay, if you go to Notix site, go to API access, right? This is where you get to add your site. All right, add your site here by clicking on this create token. Then after that, go to integrations. Okay, so just click here and then follow the process on how to install and also connect your API to your site. So after connecting your API to your site, it's going to be linked to the plugin that you've connected. Of course, you're going to come here and also connect everything. So if you want to get the full guide on how to actually do this, click on this help center and then you're going to see a step-by-step process on how you can actually connect your Notix push notification to your site. All right, so after that, then come back to your site and your own is going to look exactly like this. Now let me show you guys how you can actually send out push to people, or anytime you make a post, how you can actually notify them that, hey, I actually made a new post and all. So if you come here, so let's say you want to create a new post, so click on add new. So let's say the title of your post is something like the most, or let's just say regardless. Okay, so let's say that's the title of your post and you want to type post, let's say I'm a boy, or whatever you want to type. And you're done with your post, just go ahead and speak the English that you want to post on your site. So after that, go ahead and put your select your category, put your featured image and all, right? Then if you look at this place, you can see Notix, right? You can see something like send push, right? Now what this send push does is that once you hit on this publish button, right, Notix is going to notify anybody that have actually subscribed to that allow button. That is the notification they see when they enter your site. Now, if you go here, you can see that I have about 3,000 active subscribers, which is very, 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 very small, right? I have people that have up to 100,000 subscribers, 300,000 subscribers active, right? So those people, one push alone can give them more than $10, right? Like any post they make, one push can give them more than $10 within 5 to 10 minutes of making their post. Now, let's just say throughout the day, because not everybody will be active all the day to check their notification, no. But throughout the day, they are sure of about $40 to $50, both on their Notix and also on their Propeller. So that's how juicy this thing works. And if you have Adsense on your site, once it sends push to your subscribers, they're going to come back to your site and perform activities. And probably they're going to click on Adsense ads and do all the whole thing, both on Propeller and the rest of the ads network you're using on your site. So that is a lot of money for you, and they are all free money. So in case you have not been using it, you can start using it to start gathering people that are visiting your site. And with time, you're going to start milking what it comes with. And it's totally free. There is no price attached. Rather, you get paid for using it. I'm actually not in any way trying to promote this company. All right. I just used it like I showed you guys my proof. Let me just go ahead and refresh it so that you guys can see that it's not some fake payment stuff or whatever. All right. So I'm refreshing. And boom, so everything is still intact. So my purpose of doing this is just to show you guys what is working for me. All right, I've been using it over time, like I said, though I've not really been putting much interest on it, and not until they paid me and I was like, okay, it's actually paying and it's real. And notwithstanding, my friend actually made money from it, so I have no doubt about it. You can start using it. I'm going to drop a link you can use to register down in the comment section. And please, like I said, if you're new here, consider liking my video and please consider subscribing to this channel and follow me on Instagram. And if you have any blogging related question that you want to ask, my number is always down there in the description of this video. So now let's talk about how you can actually get the traffic, because where the problem is the traffic. Now you can actually get your traffic from SEO, which is search engine optimization, and that can be really hard, right? Now you can actually run ads to your site, all right, which is also not really going to be profitable for you when you run ads to your site. Now it's about growing your audience over time. Now if you can create a forum website or a website that can be able to get people registered on the site, probably by getting a value for registering and all, right? That is basically what this site is. So getting your members can be really frustrating, and if you can build a forum or membership website around your site, it's going to be very easy for you. And I'm actually not going to go deep into that. If you want to know how to do that, you can message me on WhatsApp, and I have a quick way to get it done for you. And you're going to grow a very huge subscriber base or membership site for yourself. So if you check this site, actually I think I have 15,000 members on this site, which is not bad. And I just started using this push notification thing not too long ago, and I allow them to send only one notification to my subscribers. So that is actually how to get your members. So you can run ads on Facebook to get your members, run it up to a very good number, probably start doing giveaway on your site and all, something that will actually make them to come back on your site and perform activities. So that's actually how this thing works. Let me not push further, because it's part of the things that I cover on my one-on-one training and part of the things that I teach my students as well. So that is actually how to build something like this in order to get your members coming back to your site and generating more revenue. So with that being said, I'm actually going to stop here. And please, if you're new to this channel, consider liking this video, and please consider subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I'm going to be more consistent, like I said, on this channel, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.